It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 7th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Another dry and warm day ahead. High temperatures getting into the low 80s. We'll see an increase in clouds by tomorrow as the system approaches from the west, leading to increasing chances of rain, and that will continue for the rest of the week potentially. How much rain might we get? And what about some cooler temperatures? And how long will all of that last? We'll talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 85 degrees, the afternoon high, 58 the low. The normals, 82 and 57. And outside now, here at 7 o'clock, we've got sunny skies out there sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 35, humidity 47%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 41 degrees, the cool spot at Goldfield, 42 Fort McDowell, 49 at Buckeye, 51 in Tullison. Many of us are in the mid and upper 50s across the metro. The upper air look this morning reveals an area of low pressure just to the southwest of San Francisco. That will very slowly move to the south, position itself just off the Southern California coast later this afternoon and this evening, before finally beginning to move east across the region for the rest of the week. Here's the watch warning map with that system off the California coast. We've got flash flood watches over a good section of Southern California. Some dense fog advisories over parts of the upper Midwest. Otherwise, there's really not a whole lot happening across the nation right now. The convective outlook for today, we've got the slight risk of severe storms to include places like Chicago, Detroit, Indianapolis, Cleveland, Baltimore, Pittsburgh. Elsewhere, a little marginal risk across parts of southeastern Arkansas, Mississippi, and western Alabama. And the precipitation outlook for the next 7 days from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix generally less than 1/10 of an inch. The heavier rains confined to our west, across parts of western Arizona, southeast California, southern Nevada. Some spots could see between 1 and 2 inches out that way. And we'll detail it all now as we look at modeling. Check it out, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low drifting southward along the California coast. A southwesterly flow out ahead of it, but for us today, down at the surface, sunny skies, high temperatures back in the low 80s once again. Tonight, clear skies in the evening, then increasing clouds after midnight, lows mostly in the 50s. Tomorrow, with our area of low pressure slowly meandering its way onto the Southern California coast, will become partly sunny, a slight chance of some rain in the morning, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, but the key word is scattered. This is not going to be a widespread rain event for us here in south central Arizona. Better chances of rain will be to the west. It will be windy at times tomorrow too. Southwesterly winds increasing 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts over 30 at times here in Phoenix. A bit cooler too, highs in the mid 70s. And we'll put those chances of rain at about 50% for us here in Phoenix. But we're really not looking at heavy rain potential, at least not here. Although an isolated storm, of course, could produce some locally heavy downpours. All right, tomorrow night and into Thursday, widely scattered showers still possible around here, maybe an isolated thunderstorm as well, as the low will drift into southern Nevada. High temperatures on Thursday should still be on the cool side, upper 60s. Then as we go to Friday, we see the low beginning to drift back across Arizona, small chance of showers in here. Forecasting closed lows is always a challenge anyway, but now, with less data being collected, about a 90 to 95% decrease in air travel with everything going on in the world. That means less data going into the models, which means more uncertainty coming out. Garbage in, garbage out. So forecasting has become a little bit more tricky these past few weeks. All right, so for the rest of the day on Friday, high temperatures should still be on the cool side, upper 60s and low 70s. Over the weekend, it does appear that we'll start to dry out. This low will move off to the east. High temperatures recover back into the upper 70s to near 80 on Saturday, low to mid 80s on Sunday, and upper 70s and low 80s on Monday. All with mostly sunny skies, fairly dry conditions. The European does hint at the possibility of some precipitation out here. But again, there's been just too much model spread to latch onto that solution with any certainty. So for now, we're just going to go with a dry forecast for this period. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 14th, a big trough in the east and a ridge along the west coast. A surface boundary may be clipping through northern Arizona. There could be an isolated shower up that way. But here in Phoenix, I expect dry conditions with temperatures fairly close to normal. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday the 16th. A weak low approaching from the west. No major weather features to talk about here. This could produce maybe a small chance of showers and slightly cooler temperatures, but it's 10 days out. We'll just have to see how that evolves. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. We'll cool it off for the rest of the week, and then by the weekend and next week, temperatures rebound a bit above average, but nothing all that out of bounds for mid-April. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.